This is a road roller. It uses its heavy roller to flatten hot asphalt. Look at this mess. Let's put a vehicle together. Wheel, wheel, wheel. Engine and steering console. Cabin and chair. Exhaust pipe. Frame. Roller. It turned out so well!